We bought an SUV.
On the flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off.
This is a Honda CR-V from 1999. We bought this car for £1,100. What a bargain. It's done 91,000 miles on the clock, which is about half the amount that we were expecting to get it for. And as you can see, it's absolutely dynamite. It just it's broken. This is rusty. And here, if you look down here, it passed the MOT like that, so I suppose that's alright. There's a tiny bit of rust on the other side. I suppose good points about it: low mileage. It's the 2 litre petrol automatic, and we absolutely love it. The whole idea originally was we wanted to go away to, say, Norway, hire an SUV with a bed and stuff in the back and some cooking stuff, and then just go travel around on that. But problem A is we're obviously not allowed abroad, and the other problem is it was going to cost us like £1,000 each just to hire it for 10 days.
Yeah.
Which obviously is just way too much.
It would have been great.
It would have been wicked, yeah.
I mean, it's a lot for 10 days.
Yeah. And so we just thought, do you know what? We love the idea of. We've always spoken about doing self-built camper vans and stuff like that. So we were joking around when we were looking at going to Norway and things like that. And I was joking, and we said, why don't we just put £500 each in, so for £1,000, and try and find a cheap and decent like a little SUV and just do it up ourselves.
So the main goal, the aim is to drive up to Scotland in it and do the NC 500, the North Coast 500, just a route around the Scottish Highlands, which look, I mean, if you haven't looked at it, it looks unreal.
Yeah, I can't wait. It looks so good. It's meant to be one of the best driving roads in the world, and it's like up there with the top driving roads in the UK.
Yeah.
And it's basically, they call it Scotland's answer to Route 66, don't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, I can't wait to do that. We're just going to cruise around, stop at a few campsites, sleep in the back on the side of the road.
Do some wild camping as well, just sleep next to the road.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait. So the idea is hopefully over the next few months, do this bad boy up, put some fat spinners on it.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of work to it, but like we said, we're absolute amateurs. Never done anything like this before. The most I've done is an old Seat Ibiza, and I've put in some new speakers and stuff and some
sticker bombed it.
That was 300 stickers on that.
That looks good. Yeah.
Awful.
That awful.
And blew it up on the way to the university.
Yeah.
So.
We have no idea what we're doing.
So basically, follow us on this adventure of.
A lot of the work is
breaking a car.
Heavily vibe based.
Yeah. Just gonna go, just vibe it.
We'll see what happens.
Not even read the instructions, just see what to do.
So the main reason why we're recording it all and the whole channel and everything is more just sort of documentation. It's only for us, really.
For when we died from doing it, we know the story behind it. So the best part of the Honda CR-V, the Mark 1 versions. Come and have a look at this. Open up the boot. So obviously the spare tyres on the back here. So under here, what's this? Oh look! Oh no! How does it open? Camping table.
Bosh.
Bow, 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 bow. Genuine Honda CR-V 1999 picnic table that comes with the car.
Because of the spare wheel on the back, no space saver, so we can
extra storage.
Keep snacks or something in there.
Sausage rolls.
Sausage rolls.
The rest of the plan with that is lay down all of the seats, build a little platform up to about there that goes all the way across that we can like lay down in and go to sleep when we fancy it. I'm going to build a little table that fits into this section here, so that'll have plastic there, and that'll flip down, so there's a little rest thing there to have a little, put beers on, basically. On here I'm going to put a slide out shelf underneath the bed, and that'll have our gas stove and stuff, cooking equipment, utensils and things, and then probably under that just more storage and stuff. The roof rack will go, the roof basket will have the rest of our stuff. Probably bring spare tent and stuff with us in case we don't want to sleep in the car, basically. It's going to have some bigger wheels on it.
Yeah, the wheels we've got at the moment are fine.
Yeah, they'll do.
I would say fine.
It had new tyres when we bought it and a new exhaust, but we want big boy tyres.
The exhaust, it's hilarious. I'm pretty sure it's just a bit of scaffolding pipe.
Yeah,
but
it's been welded on. Who cares?